All right, so you should have copied your new problem for today. It says all 7 of the 4th grade classrooms at Wedgeworth Elementary together take up 5,097 square feet. If your 4th grade classroom only takes up 751 and 5/10 square feet, then how much space does the other 6 classes take up? So your job today is you should have done your cube strategy first. So we need to circle all of our numbers. So I'm just going to go through and start circling. Okay, I'm going to look to see, is there any number as a word? Yes, here's one. Okay, so I circled my numbers. I'm going to underline my question. How much space does the other 6 classes take up? I'm going to box important words. Let's see. All 7 of the 4th grade classrooms together take up 5,097. Okay. There's not really any keywords that tell me whether I'm adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. The only clue I get is that, that is the bell. Right here, the word together tells me that this is a total. Okay, so that helps me a little bit because when you're given the total, a lot of the times you're subtracting or you're dividing. All right, so now I need to eliminate any of the numbers that I'm not going to use. And really all I'm asked about is the square feet and the space that it takes up. So I'm not going to need 7. I don't need 6. I don't need 4th or 4th here. These are my only 2 numbers I'm going to use. So now I'm ready to solve with my UPSC. Now, all we're doing today is the U, rewriting our question as a statement on what we're going to find. So I will find how much space the other 6 classes take